Encouraging signs for the economy Tuesday as the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed more than 3% higher. The Dow plunged nearly 700 points Monday after the National Bureau of Economic Research confirmed the U.S. economy was already in a recession. Investment strategist Darius Kowalczyk says many investors are bracing for the worst.
It seems that the recession in which the world is finding itself is going to be pretty deep and quite protracted. And that's why investors are marking down their expectations regarding earnings, and stock prices have to fall.
But there was renewed optimism on Tuesday as top executives at Ford, Chrysler, and General Motors prepare to return to Capitol Hill. Some investors believe this time U.S. automakers will get the $25 billion in loans they're asking for. Parts manufacturer Tom Barr says the federal aid is critical for the companies to survive.
The big three not advancing into their future programs, they're actually putting them on the back burner.
New figures released this week show U.S. car sales have declined more than one-third since last year. All three automakers have responded by submitting new plans to Congress. GM's proposal contains the most significant restructuring, including the elimination of some well-known brands. Chrysler plans to cut its workforce by 25%, and Ford says it hopes to accelerate production of its electric cars. Senate Banking Committee Chairman Chris Dodd says lawmakers will be looking for specifics.
We need to have a lot more candor going on here from companies that I think have a false notion about the willingness of Congress to write checks for them.
Auto executives were severely criticized on their last visit to Washington for flying in from Detroit in private jets while pleading for a government handout. New hearings are scheduled for Thursday. The CEOs say this time they'll leave the corporate jets behind. Arcega, VOA News.